Hello, my name is Christophe Bertrand, Senior Analyst at Enterprise Strategy Group. The server virtualization and data protection relationship can be complicated. ESG research shows that 82% of IT managers said that superior data protection can mean the difference between the success or the failure of a server virtualization initiative. Some respondents also reported that inadequate protection solutions had hindered their virtualization progress. Others said having good protection solutions accelerated their virtualization efforts. Server virtualization clearly strengthens IT production environments, but only if the data protection environment is strengthened as well. To be successful, the right solution has to be deployed. And that's where the combination of Veeam Availability Solutions with Cisco UCS storage servers comes into play. Veeam Backup Replication software provides fast, reliable backup, replication, and recovery of virtualized and physical workloads within either a VMware vSphere or Microsoft Hyper-V environment. Cisco UCS is a modular, high-density storage server family offering scalable computing and high-capacity local storage suited to the demands of today's newer applications. It is simple to deploy and excellent as a repository to reduce backup ingest bottlenecks and provide fast backups using parallel processing. ESG conducted interviews with joint Veeam and Cisco customers to get a sense of people's satisfaction levels tied to using Cisco UCS with Veeam Availability Solutions. All the customers ESG spoke with ultimately selected the combined solution because it possessed three specific attributes: reliability, performance, and manageability. In parallel, ESG conducted extensive independent validations of the architecture, which confirmed the user sentiments from the qualitative interviews. Our tests confirmed that the Veeam and Cisco backup solution provides significant operational efficiency. It helps data protection administrators to support multiple protection workloads with all the right resources in the right locations. Let's briefly review the details. Our ESG validation team tested the performance of this combined solution in protecting a VMware vSphere environment with 36 Windows Server 2016 VMs running on 6 Cisco UCS C220 rack servers. We ran multiple full and incremental backups to obtain a baseline measurement of backup performance throughput, using the results to model price performance. Our testers also conducted a series of experiments, increasing the number of jobs and the number of available drives. As the figure shows, throughput increased as the workload increased. ESG compared price performance against another vendor's solution that was configured as closely as possible to the Veeam and Cisco configuration. We used vendor-published pricing and performance data for this comparison. The Veeam-Cisco combination was 28.9% faster than the other solution, but even better, the Veeam and Cisco price performance was 49% lower. ESG was able to confirm that the Veeam and Cisco backup solution, with its easy-to-use management interface and pre-configured deployment setup, makes administrative tasks very efficient. IT organizations desiring to make such improvements to their own environments should know those advantages, because they are the exact characteristics that are enjoyed and appreciated by organizations already operating Cisco UCS servers and Veeam Availability Solutions together. ESG was able to prove what customers have been experiencing. Veeam and Cisco UCS are better together. Thank you for watching.